The cracked weld seams require immediate attention. Check the plate thickness at marker A3. Verify the laser alignment with the blueprint. Keep the temperature stable. Monitoring pressure, clear the section below. Ready for the crane lift. Cable tension is at 70%. Acknowledged. Maintaining.
The hull breach is stable. Let's start with structural integrity checks on deck B. Roger. I've got the ultrasonic scanner ready on the main bulkhead. Cut beam 3. Set the supports. Hoist is attached. Ready to lift. Monitoring alignment. Proceed slowly. Hand signal. Let's move it out.
The measurements are exact. Ready to move this section. Initiating the next cut now.
Ensure the alignment matches the specs exactly. Just a fraction off on the right. Adjust the pressure slightly, then recheck the template. Transport 1, position 3, ready for connection. Copy that, proceeding with attachment. Lifting sequence confirmed. Stand by for movement.
Hold, steady. One click left. Slow descent now. Check the beam.
Perfect fitment here, checking the gap. Alignment good, proceed with tacking. Laser verification passed, ready for full welds.
Keep it steady, mind the depth.
Affirmative, adjusting power now.
Sections 5 through 7 looking good, moving on. Line it up, steady. Hold it there, watch the gap. Slow drop. Perfect. Torque it down.
Lower it slowly, watch the angle. Perfect, just a little more. Aligning hydraulics, hold it steady.
The measurements are consistent with the digital model.
Flawless profile detected. Let's mark this section.
Verified.
The hull is perfect. Look at the shine on this steel. We did it, ready for the next phase.